To receive payouts from TikTok Shop and maintain compliance, sellers must provide accurate tax information. The specific requirements vary significantly depending on your business location and structure. Tax requirements are organized by geographic regions, each with distinct documentation needs. Let's examine the 4 major market areas where TikTok Shop operates. In the United States, sellers must provide Form W-9 if they are U.S. entities, or W-8 series forms if they are foreign entities operating in the U.S. market. This includes providing either an employer identification number or social security number. European markets require VAT registration numbers and EORI numbers for cross-border transactions. The EORI system enables customs authorities to track goods moving between EU member states. The United Kingdom requires a unique taxpayer reference, or UTR, along with VAT numbers where applicable. Companies must also provide their company's house registration details. Southeast Asian markets have diverse requirements varying by country, with emphasis on local tax identification numbers and business registration documents specific to each nation's regulatory framework. TikTok Shop uses a 3-tier verification system to accommodate different types of sellers, from individual creators to large enterprises. The basic tier requires personal identification and basic tax information. The business tier demands complete business documentation and tax registration. The Enterprise tier provides advanced compliance features for high-volume sellers with audit trails. To ensure smooth compliance, keep your business registration current and valid. Make sure your bank account information matches your business documentation exactly. Complete tax information immediately upon account approval, and always update your information when business circumstances change. Proper tax documentation is not just a requirement, but a foundation for successful selling on TikTok Shop. It ensures timely payouts, maintains compliance with international regulations, and builds trust with the platform and your customers.